Hey guys, Dr. Pete here. I'm going to show you today a really special adjustment. It's called an occiput lift. It literally lifts the base of the skull off the top neck vertebra. When this area is jammed up, we can get neck pain, tension, headaches, migraines, so many problems. What do you notice, Jamie, when you get this adjustment done? What do you feel?
I feel like something is lifted off, like I feel pressure constantly. As soon as I have this adjustment, I feel relief right after.
Cool. And guys, we only do this adjustment when it's warranted, when we find the problems that Jamie has. We're not going to do this on a tiny kid or an older person with arthritis. It's just people that this is an appropriate adjustment for them. So here it is.
That was good.
Perfect. Thanks for watching.